Hey there, future accountants and bookkeepers. Have you been eyeing Xero, the cloud-based accounting software that's taking the world by storm? Maybe you're thinking about boosting your career with a fancy Xero certification, but you're wondering, is it free? Well, get ready to dive in because we're about to uncover the truth about Xero certifications and whether they'll cost you a pretty penny. Look, we all know that skills are valuable. In today's competitive job market, a recognized qualification can seriously give you an edge. But let's be real, not everyone has the budget to splurge on expensive training programs. So, is a Xero certification worth the investment? And if so, what are your options? We'll explore different certification levels, the benefits of each, and most importantly, the cost implications. We'll also discuss some potential free resources that can help you gain Xero expertise. So, grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's get this Xero certification knowledge flowing. Xero certification, levels, and benefits. Now, before we dive into the cost, let's quickly break down the different Xero certifications available. Xero Advisor Certification. This is the big one. It's designed for accountants and bookkeepers who want to demonstrate their expertise in using Xero to manage client businesses. Think of it as your professional stamp of approval. Xero Payroll Certification. If you specialize in payroll, this certification focuses on your knowledge of Xero's payroll features. Xero Project Certification. This one's for those who work with clients on projects. It validates your understanding of how to use Xero projects to track time, expenses, and budgets. Benefits of Xero certification. Okay, now you might be thinking, why bother with a certification? Well, let's talk benefits. Increased earning potential. Certified professionals are often in higher demand and can command better salaries. Enhanced credibility. A Xero certification boosts your credibility with potential clients. They'll see you as an expert and be more likely to trust you with their financial needs. Improved efficiency. Xero certifications deepen your understanding of the software, allowing you to work faster and more efficiently. Career advancement. Certifications can open doors to new career opportunities, such as becoming a Xero partner or specializing in a specific industry. The cost of Xero certification. All right, let's get to the heart of the matter. The cost. Is Xero Advisor certification free? Unfortunately, no, it's not free. You'll typically need to invest in a training course and then pay an exam fee to become certified. Cost variations. The cost can vary depending on the training provider and the specific certification you're pursuing. Investment in your future. While there's an upfront cost, consider it an investment in your future. The increased earning potential and career opportunities can easily outweigh the initial expense. Finding affordable or free Xero training. So, how can you minimize the cost of Xero certification? Here are a few options. Xero's free resources. Xero itself offers a wealth of free resources, including online help articles, video tutorials, and webinars. These can be a great starting point for building your knowledge. Xero's Partner Program. If you're interested in becoming a Xero partner, they often offer training and certification programs at discounted rates. Online learning platforms. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera offer affordable Xero training courses, sometimes even with free trial periods. Local community colleges or universities. Some educational institutions may offer Xero training programs at a lower cost than private training providers. Tips for success. Now, let's talk about how to maximize your chances of success. Choose the right training provider. Do your research and select a training provider with a strong reputation and experienced instructors. Dedicate time and effort. Xero certification requires dedication and effort. Set aside regular study time and practice using Xero regularly. Join online communities. Connect with other Xero users and professionals through online forums and groups. This can provide valuable support and insights. Take advantage of free resources. Supplement your paid training with Xero's free resources to enhance your learning. So, is Xero certification free? While the initial investment may seem daunting, the long-term benefits can be significant. By exploring affordable training options and dedicating yourself to your studies, you can increase your earning potential, boost your career, and become a highly sought-after accounting or bookkeeping professional. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.